Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So it seems that the beginning of the new month, the more fun is coming on the markets as well. So it seems that the party time is coming closer. So a lot of different events has happened recently in the political life and the fundamental statistics. So if you remember, yesterday it was really poor data on inflation in the European Union. As a result, the euro has collapsed more. And now market really have some doubts that the European Central Bank will have enough power to trigger some activity in the economy. So whether efforts on applying of the quantitative easing program will bring some results. So at the same time, the expectation of the activity in the economy of the United States right now stands positive. And on this disbalance, as we have talked about it in the weekly report, you can see dollar is rising, and euro finally has hit our predefined area, at least the upper border of this area. So we have pointed that this will be 108.40, 108.80 level, and currently we're coming to most interesting and decisive moment on the euro in recent few months, probably, because as our classic technical analysis that we are discussing every week, fundamental background as well, and as the Elliott wave analysis from our forumer Stag has provided a very good, interesting Elliott wave view on the current situation on the euro currency, promised that this moment of the reaching 108 area should be very interesting. And particular interest stands with the possible upside reversal. Currently we could only gamble on the reasons of that possible reversal, so probably since the fundamental background mostly stands the same, the only data that we have on the horizon is non-farm payroll release. But in general, fundamental economical situation balance between the euro and the dollar is relatively stable. And it seems that probably some external factor, some surprising factor probably should appear on the market that could trigger so sharp reversal here. So, and this week, as market already stands at our support area, we will search for and will be watching for signs of the possible reversal on the market. So currently, as you understand, this market has hit major targets, and our minor setup has happened that market should drop a bit lower. So this has happened. Now we do not consider taking any new shorts by far. So free drive pattern also has the specific. So it's most tricky moment with the free drives, and actually with any other harmonic patterns and butterfly as well, because if they fails, I mean the butterfly or free drive, usually it fails miserably. So what does it mean? It means that if market will continue dropping below 108 area, that will lead to the acceleration. This could be really collapse on the market and fast acceleration down. So that because and it means why this area is so crucial for the market to show the reversal. If everything will go as it should be and free drive will work, we could count on the move above 111 top, because that's a stop between the lows of the second drive and the third drive. So that's approximately what we have on the daily. On the intraday charts, on the 4-hour time frame chart, what we have, market hits also minor targets as well. So you can see that XOP target inner to the butterfly ABCD has been hit. 127 target of this butterfly also almost has been hit. So what particular reversal pattern we could keep an eye on? So definitely that should not be engulfing pattern on the hourly chart. This is too small. Since we have the pattern on the daily, and even it could be visible on the weekly chart. So Stag tells about the really on the monthly chart some sequence of the waves. So it's rather significant in time, and that's why we need to get more extended pattern. So at least that should be something visible on the hourly. For example, this is just example, not necessarily that's definitely will be particular this pattern, but just to represent you the scale of the patient that we are watching for. So here you can see market is forming minor butterfly. So 1618 target has not been hit a bit. It's 10870. But in general, we will be watching for a pattern of the degree of the hand and shoulders on something that should be extended pattern. So here we have some divergence, butterflies forming, but we will be watching for example, such as hand and shoulder. So this could become left shoulder, head, market starts upward action, then starts to form right arm. If it will be a triple to buy, this will be opportunity to consider a long entry. That will be the scale of the pattern that we are watching for. So this should not be some kind of the minor engulfing, as I said, something of that sort. We can't call when we see this engulfing tells us, well, the reversal is starting. Absolutely not. We will make the conclusion that reversal is starting only if we will get this type of the pattern. So it should be really clear, visible, and right at the point that we have specified. That's the thing that we are keeping an eye on. So currently market is just standing in a stage of the completion of the major target, so it could fluctuate a bit around it because a lot of statistics will be released also this week. As you know, there's a lot of statistics in Great Britain, more statistics in the United States, ADP report in particular. So it's a lot of stuff will be till the end of the week, but we're still watching, and we need to get the signs, either the collapse through the 108 area or real signs of the bullish reversal. So currently we do not take long positions by far. At the same time, we do not take the new shorts just because market stands at the targets. So but current moment is really very thrilling, and we will keep an eye on what is going on here, and let's see how the situation will develop.